Hello and welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we want to see how you can create a simple age calculator in Excel. Now to create an Excel date calculator that calculates your age like this, you need to use this sheet. We have the date of birth, current date, years, month. So to get the current date, just write today, and open and close bracket and press enter. Now that will give you current date according to your computer, laptop, or whatever you're using. So to get the number of years, we are using a formula called dated if. So just write dated if, open the brackets, then we want to calculate it from using the date of birth from the date you were born up to today. Write date of birth, comma, today, close the bracket, comma, then open the double quote, write Y for years, close the double quote, close the bracket and press enter. Now that will give you 121 years because we have not entered any date of birth up here. So to get the number of months, you have just write dated if, open the bracket, select the date of birth, comma, calculate up to today, close the brackets, comma, double quote, and since you want the month, just write YM, close the quotation marks and close the brackets, then press enter. For the number of days, just want to write the same formula, which is dated if, then date of birth, today, then don't forget the bracket because it's a function, open the double quote, write MD, day of the month, then press enter. Now it will give you the exact date according to your machine. So let's present this data in a presentable manner. So for that, let's write a simple sentence like, oh my god, you can't believe you're blah 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 years, blah 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 months, blah blah days old. So that is what we are going to type here. You want to believe. When this sign is called ampersand, just have to close the number of years in the ampersand and the double quote, put a years, then can put comma, then we want to calculate your days. Just write, open the quotation marks, double quote, select the cell for months, put another ampersand, close the double quote, write months, and want to calculate your days. Then open the double quote, ampersand, then days cell, ampersand, close the double quotes, days old. Yes, so this is it and it is working. So this is the old formula. You have to write it this way so that you can present it in a very smart way.